Hey, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to test if a proxy server supports UDP protocol using Node.js. A lot of proxy providers or proxy server software will support HTTP or SOX protocol, but they don't usually support SOX5 UDP. And this is a very simple Node.js script where you don't even have to install any dependencies. We use Node.js version 21.4 here. And this is how you can use it to test if UDP is working. And we're going to do that by resolving a domain name using DNS to an IP address. So what I'm going to do is just grab this file name here and create a new file in my terminal, copy this script straight over. Okay, nothing to modify. Now, yeah, so that's the script down there. Then up here is how we actually run it. This is the command. So I'm just going to copy this. And we just need to change a few things. So right now it's using unmetered residential proxy rack. You can use any proxy. It doesn't have to be proxy rack here. The port 9000. So I'm just going to change to a username and then my password. That's an environment variable. So that's why it looks like that. I'm just going to copy that. And now all we have to do is run it. So you can see it's using the proxy there, and it's trying to use this DNS resolver to query the A records on example.com. And you can see it successfully returned this list of IP addresses example.com resolves to. Now you can see a full list of commands. You can do any other domain if you want. That's just the default one. And you can do the type of record, etc., a timeout, things like that. But this is really just the simplest way to get going and see if it works. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.